Hello everyone, this is me Chaitanya Ajit in front of Lulu Hypermarket Al Kobar. Some of my most favorite words are it's on sale. And our Lulu has given us great offers on almost all the items in all the departments. So to come here, all you need is love for quality products and of course a credit card. But seeing these Gambira offers, the credit card is going to go easy and it's not going to cost so much. So with no further delay, let's see what all offers we have. The offers are starting from 26th September, that was yesterday, and ending on 5th October. We all know rice is really important in our diet. So, Abuka's Indian white basmati rice for 10 kg, regular price was 87.95 riyals and now it's only for 57.95 riyals. Personally, my most favorite rice is Pavidam Jeeragashala rice. So Pavidam Jeeragashala rice for 5 kg, regular price was 42.50 riyals and now it's only for 29.95 riyals. To sweeten our journey, sugar is really important. Al Usra sugar, fine sugar for 10 kg, regular price was 35.15 riyals and now it's only for 24.95 riyals. This is Ziba Classic Basmati rice for 5 kg. It is now only for 34.95 riyal and earlier it was for 57 riyal. Now that we know winter is gonna begin and that we need to keep our skin really hydrated, so Jergens lotion, it is now only for 13.90 riyals. This is Abu Bint Rose rice for 5 kg. It was earlier for 32.95 riyals and now it's only for 19.95 riyals. In this pandemic time, it is really important to keep ourselves very clean. Not just ourselves, but our surroundings also clean. So here we have Dettol, which was earlier for 14.95 riyals and now it's only for 7.95 riyals. As I said earlier, to keep our surrounding clean is really important. So Persil washing powder 6.8 kg, it was earlier for 55.50 riyals and now it's only for 38.95 riyals. As it says here, its removal of bacteria and viruses 99.9%. Now that the flights are all open, we are waiting to go to our hometown, right? Imagine surprising your family with really great offers of gifts. So here we have Prestige non-stick cookware 7-piece set. Earlier it was for 329 riyals and now it's only for 129 riyals. For tasty and yummy fried food, the most important thing is oil. So here we have Noor sunflower oil, which was earlier for 40.65 riyals and now it's only for 32.95. out there. Here we have freshly frozen chicken, that is 1.2 kg into 10 pieces. Regular price was 160 riyals and now it's only 112.95 riyals. And it is really important to maintain a balanced diet, and vegetables and fruits play a vast role in that. So now let's see what offers we have in fruits and vegetables. Do you all not get proper sleep? Then have one kiwi at night every day. It's gonna improve your heart health and your sleep. So earlier it was for 32.95 riyals and now it's only for 18.95 riyals. P4 pomegranate and now we have it only for 14.90 riyals. One of my most favorite milkshake is avocado with mango. So here we have avocado earlier which was for 39.95 riyals and now it's only for 24.65 riyals. We are having amazing offer on pears. Pears which was for 11.95 riyals and now it's only for 6.95 riyals. We all have heard that an apple a day keeps a doctor away. Do you know why? It's mainly because it is rich in fibers and vitamin C. So now Himachal Pradesh Apple Royal Gala for per kg, it is now only for 13.95 riyals. So there is a fest that is starting on Wednesday in Lulu for apples. As you all see, these all apples are from Himachal Pradesh and really garden fresh apples. Orange. Orange is really rich in vitamin C and helps us to have a better immune system. And orange is one fruit that my family loves to have. So here, orange which was for 8.95 riyals, it's now only for 4.45 riyals. And this is Mandarin Nova, South Africa for per kg. Garlic, which is the most basic ingredient in most of our dishes and it adds a lot of flavors, right? So garlic which was earlier for 13.95 riyals and is now only for 6.95 riyals. Eggplant is something that adds a lot of immune in our body. So eggplant, big Saudi per kg, earlier it was for 6.95 riyals and now it's only for 2.45 riyals. Tapioca, which is also called as kappa in Malayalam. So here tapioca Sri Lanka per kg, earlier it was for 9.95 riyals and now it's for 5.45 riyals. You all can see how garden fresh these kappa are. Onion medium bag, Saudi per bag. It was earlier for 8.75 riyals and now it's only for 3.95 riyals. So all the fruits and vegetables here are really fresh and rich in antioxidants with sources of so many vitamins and minerals. And when Lulu here is giving us killer price for fruits and vegetables, it is a real must for us to add all these in our balanced diet, right? So now from fruits and vegetables, let's move to the seafood area as there is a fest going on there. So now we'll see you in the seafood area. There are a lot of fresh seafood available at Lulu. So here, as you all could see, there is a mini seafood festival happening here. So first, Hamor fish per kg, it was earlier for 56.95 riyals and now it's only for 32.90 riyals. Barmudi fish earlier which was for 29.90 riyals and now it's only for 19.9 riyals. So this is a salmon which was earlier for 59.90 riyals and now it's only for 39.90 riyals. And this mini festival is happening only from 26 September till 29 September. So everyone please do come and check this festival. Now let's move on to the meat festival where there is a small festival happening there. Lulu has given us great offers on meat too, called as Meat Days. So here as you all could see, this is Saudi whole lamb naimi which is 18 to 22 per kg which was earlier for 899 riyals and now it's only for 690 riyals. Local beef bone in kgs, earlier it was for 29.95 riyals and now it's only for 22.9 riyals. Pakistani beef shoulder, earlier which was for 34.00 riyals and now it's only for 29.9 riyals. So everyone please do come and check the meat taste. Now let's all go upstairs, that is the electronic appliances which I am also waiting to see offer for. So meet you there. Right now we are at the electronic appliances department in Lulu. So here Palson air fryer that is of 2.5 liter, earlier it was for 379 riyals and now it's only for 129 riyals. There are more offers for electronic appliances here which I will introduce you. We have great offers on mobiles also. So this is Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G of 512 GB Earlier it was for 5899 riyals and now it's only for 4899 riyals. So now let's see offer on Apple Watches. Apple Watch S5 of 40mm which was earlier for 1599 and now it's only for 1199 riyals. Lulu has given us great promotion on electronic appliances called as Digi Deals, which started on 26 September, that was yesterday, and it's ending on 9th October. So here, LG 4K UHD Smart TV of 65-inch. Earlier it was for 12,999 riyals and now it's only for 5,399 riyals. Isn't that amazing? Now let's move to the garment section where we have offers starting from 25% to 70%. We have great offers on garments starting from 25% to 70%, but it's not just on garments, but we have on fashion, footwear, ladies' bag, baby accessories, home furnishing and many more. Let's see some of them. Style expresses your individuality and personality. So for all the trend lovers out there, we have great offers in the garment section in Lulu. So if you check out on these are just not simple or elegant, but they are significant. And a well-rounded treat is waiting in Lulu for us. To know more about the kilo offers here, do visit our nearby Lulu. Enjoy your shopping and save a lot of money by shopping at Lulu because the shortest horror story is sold out. So grab it soon. Thank you and have a safe weekend.